lateral hip shift hinge. I'm going to set up with a stance about shoulder width apart or slightly wider. I'm going to push with one leg to shift my weight over towards the opposite leg. As I do this, I'm going to reach this hip back as far as I can at a 45-degree angle. Once I feel a stretch in the outside of the glute, I'll simply stand up. You shift, reach back, stretch, then come up. As I'm at the bottom position, I want to continue to press away with the straight leg as I keep some of my weight on the working leg towards the inside of the foot, big toe, and also almost pressing my knee in towards the side. Shift, push, stretch, and up.